Okay, so hello everyone and welcome to Career Launcher. So I hope you are aware that at 9 p.m. today, that is on Thursday, we are having a session which is about static GK through MCQs for 2026. There is a slight delay because of some technical reasons, so I'm very sorry for that. So let's begin the class. So if I'm audible and visible, please write in the comments once. Because of some technical. Okay, so let's begin the class. What we do actually in this class is we give you questions and you are supposed to answer it in the live chat. So let's begin with the first question. The first question says, which of the following date is mentioned in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? And these are the options. 26 January 1950, 26 November 1949, 15th August 1947. D is none of the above. What is the right answer? If you are watching, please answer me. And because I believe that this is a very easy question, so you all should be answering it. कौन सा date mentioned है preamble में? Which date is mentioned? And it is quite famous and all. This day is also famously called as Law Day, and now it is called as. Earlier it was called as Law Day. Now it is called as Constitution Day also, which is celebrated on 26 November. So the right answer is B. 26 November 1949 is the date mentioned in the preamble. अगर आप देखोगे, so it is 26 November 1949 the date mentioned. ठीक है? So and that is why every year 26th November is celebrated or observed as Constitution Day or Law Day. ये तो पता होना चाहिए. Every aspirant should know this. ठीक है? Okay. Let's move on to the next question. The next question is, which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution deals with abolition of untouchability? Because the issue of untouchability was also discussed a lot in Constituent Assembly. Bhimrao Ambedkar was quite ahead in ensuring that abolition of untouchability should be mentioned and all in the Constitution. So it is actually a part of fundamental rights. Okay. So if anyone knows it, please answer me. I'm waiting for the response. Okay. So if anyone knows it, what is the right answer? Anyone? The right answer is yes. Article 14 talks about equality before law. Okay. So here the right answer is B. Okay. Article 21 talks about right to life. And Article 18 talks about abolition of titles. Okay. So here the right answer is B. Okay. So you should remember this. Untouchability is abolition is practice and reform is forbidden. Okay. So this you should be knowing it. Okay. The next is, which of the following article of the Indian Constitution deals with right to life? अभी मैंने थोड़ा देर पहले बता भी दिया. Article 14, 17, 21, 18. What is the right answer? Yes, good evening, Ayush. Please tell me this question. And this is a very easy question. Right to life and personal liberty. Actually, जो statement mention है, state shall not deny right to life and personal liberty except according to the procedure established by law. है ना? Right to life and personal liberty. So this is C is the right answer to this question. Okay. So Article 21 talks about it, and this has been expanded by the Supreme Court a lot. I hope you are aware. Yes. So C is the right answer. Anna. No person shall be deprived of his personal life or personal liberty except according to the procedure established by law. So ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. Let's move on to the next one. When was the 44th Amendment Act enacted? 1975, 1972, 1976, 1978. What is the right answer? And it is for what purpose? क्या चीज से related था? कुछ idea दे सकते हैं? What was the background of it? Yes, Ayush, Nasha, you are right. The right answer is 1978. So हुआ ये था कि 2 साल पहले, yes, So is also right. D is the right answer. 2 साल पहले 42nd अमेंडमेंट पास हुआ था 1976 में, उसमें बहुत सारी चीजें थी. It gave more power to the government and all. So 44th amendment में बहुत सारी चीज को रिवर्स किया गया था, आप कह सकते हो. Not everything, but many things of 42nd amendment were reversed and all. Yes, Ayush Nasha, very good. And this was passed by which government? Which government was there? Which political party? Like, because by that time Indira Gandhi had lost the election. Yes, Monaji Desai led. JP, Janata Party government, है ना? Janata Party government was there. Yes, Ayush, you are right. So D is the right answer. Yes, Sok is also right. Janata Party government, है ना? It was enacted by Janata Party government. It nullified the unjustified power to the government, which was actually given in 42nd Amendment 1976. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Which of the following is called as mini constitution? Yes. Sukh, Mishika, Ayush, you are right. 42nd Amendment 1976. Why it is called as mini constitution? Because it changed a lot of things. ठीक है, पूरा फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी नया ऐड कर दिया. ठीक है, फिर ट्रिब्यूनल्स के कुछ पार्ट्स ऐड किया, बहुत कुछ लिस्ट में भी कुछ चेंजेस किया गया. ठीक है, many things actually got changed and all. Many of the powers were changed and also many constitution is series कहते हैं. So A is the right answer to this question. This you should be knowing. Yes. Now the next is how many members can be nominated to Rajya Sabha by the President of India? हाँ, preamble में भी addition हुआ 42nd amendment, right, Mishika? Very good. And can you please give few examples? Yes, Mishika, Ayush, Radhika, you are right. So 12 nominated members in the field of science, art, literature, है ना, ये सब होता है. So etc. So can you give some examples? Someone has given Sachin Tendulkar, very good. Any other example from this field? Hema Malini, no, she is a Lok Sabha MP from Mathura in Uttar Pradesh. So that is not the correct example. There's a former Jai Bachchan was also from Rajya Sabha, but not nomination. Nominated में से नहीं थी वो. I'll give you an example. A former CGI, इनका नाम बताइए. An ex-CGI was nominated to Rajya Sabha in these 12 categories. What is his name? Because you should be knowing as a law student. एक former CGI थे. He was appointed to be nominated in these 12 list. Well, ex-CGI, now he is currently, yes, Ayush, very good. Justice Ranjan Gogoi. Is the right answer to this question. Literature, science, art, social service and all. Let's move on to the next one. मतलब ये 12 जो nominate किया था वो इस category से उठाया जाता है. ठीक है. Let's move on to the next one. Which among the following amendments to the Constitution designated Delhi as national capital territory? Sudha Murthy भी शायद I think हाँ उसी 12 में से, if I'm not wrong. Yes. So Delhi जो अभी current setup है Delhi का कि there should be a chief minister as well as a lieutenant governor. The current administrative setup of the Delhi governance, the governance in Delhi actually rules from there. मतलब वहीं से आता है. Which amendment is being talked about? And by the way, can you please tell me who is the CM and Lieutenant Governor of Delhi? इन दोनों का नाम बता सकते हैं? Yes, Mishika is right. Delhi was declared NCT in 69th Amendment Act 1990s की बात है, if I'm not wrong. 1991. Yes, Ayush is also right. Who is the Chief Minister of Delhi and who is the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi? ये तो पता होना चाहिए. Who is the CM of Delhi? It's not Arvind Kejriwal. Lieutenant Governor is Mr. V.K. Saxena. Yes. Mishika, you're right. Very good. And Chief Minister is Atishi Marlena. Yes. Yes, Ayush, you are also right. Okay. You should know this. ये तो basic fact है. Yes, Mishika, Sukh, you all are right. Adishi भी नाम याद रहेगा, so it's more than enough. No. So B is the right answer. Let's move on to the next one. Who was the chairman of drafting committee? बहुत आसान question है. You all should be knowing it. Yes, Ayush, Simar, Rashi, you all right. Bhimrao Ambedkar. C is the right answer. है ना? So ये सबको जानते होंगे. Yes, Rashi, Bansali, Sukh, you are the right. तो अगर आप chairman of drafting committee Bhimrao Ambedkar. The next, which of the following is called as Magna Carta of the Indian Constitution? Magna Carta of Indian Constitution. और किसके बैकग्राउंड है, मतलब क्या है, कोई थोड़ा सा हिस्ट्री बता सकता है? Ayush and Mishika is saying B, fundamental rights. Yes, actually ये ब्रिटिश हिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड है, कुछ इसका ताल्लुक है, लिंक है. फंडामेंटल राइट्स पार्ट 3 टॉक्स अबाउट मैग्ना कार्टा. मतलब ब्रिटेन में हुआ ये था कि एक किंग ने 1215 में कुछ राइट्स दे दिया था, ठीक है, उसको मैग्ना कार्टा कहते हैं. So because generally king do not give any rights to the citizen, but that happened और इसलिए उसके बाद वहां से लिंक किया जाता है कि मैग्ना कार्टा मींस फंडामेंटल राइट्स एंड ऑल. पार्ट 3 है ना. Okay, let's move on to the next one, and this is pre-PYQ. ये ALET का previous year question है. Yes, Ayush and Simar is right. Article 32 talks about it. Heart and soul of the Constitution किसने कहा था? भीमराव अम्बेडकर ने कहा था, है ना? It was said by भीमराव अम्बेडकर. ये भी कभी-कभी पूछ लेते हैं. Who said Article 32 as heart and soul of the Indian Constitution? Yes, Simar, Mishika, Sukh, you are right. B is the right answer to this question. ठीक है. So you should know about this. Article 32 जिसको right to constitutional remedy भी कहते हैं, ठीक है. This is also called as right to constitutional remedy. There are 6 fundamental rights and the 6th one is this. Why it is called as right to constitutional remedies? Because if your fundamental rights are violated, with the help of Article 32 you can file a writ petition in the Supreme Court. Writs आपने सुना होगा, writs. So that is what you should know. The next one is freedom of speech and expression is mentioned in where? 21, 14, 19, 14. What is the right answer? ये तो बहुत आसान है. It comes in the news again and again. That is why you all should be knowing it. Everyone should answer. I'm expecting at least 3-4 people to answer. Yes, Ayush, Mishika, Dhruv. Yes, Mishika ने आंसर किया. Actually, exact जो है वो आर्टिकल 19(1)(a यहाँ mentioned है, freedom of speech and expression. Because there are other things also mentioned आर्टिकल 19 में. ठीक है. This right to assemble peacefully without arms, right to form association, union, right to move freely throughout the territory of India. बहुत कुछ mention है 19(1)(a में. So C is the right answer to this question. देखो यहाँ. So अगर आप गौर से देखोगे, आर्टिकल 19(1)(a talks about freedom of speech and expression. उसके अलावा भी 1B बात करता है right to assemble peacefully without arms. 1C बात करता है right to form association, cooperative society, right to move freely throughout the territory of India. ये वाला हटा दिया गया. ये right to property था, 44th amendment से हटा दिया गया. The right to reside and settle in any part of India, right to practice any profession, carry any occupation, trade or business. ये भी आर्टिकल 19 से फ्लो होता है. ठीक है. So इसमें ये सब चीजें you should know. So C is the right answer. ठीक है. राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी को 44th अमेंडमेंट से 44th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट 1978 से रिमूव कर दिया गया. Okay, you should know this. Let's move on to the next one. Which of the following is considered as precursor of preamble? प्रीकर्सर मतलब क्या होता है? मतलब इससे पहले वो था, means preamble has replaced this. So means it was doing the job or work of more or less preamble. Yes, Ayush, Dhruv and Mishika is saying B, objective resolution, which was initiated by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in actually the Constituent Assembly. Yes, Mishika, Deep, Takshi, Dhruv, you all are right. B is the right answer to this question. है ना? Constituent Assembly में on 13 December 1946. ठीक है. तो अगर आप प्रीएम्बल में जो वर्ड्स है समथिंग रफली सिमिलर टू दैट, जैसे सॉवरेन, सोशलिस्ट, सेकुलर, डेमोक्रेटिक, रिपब्लिक, ये सब वर्ड मेंशन होता है कि नहीं? जैसे ये वर्ड और ये वर्ड प्रीएम्बल में है मेंशन. ठीक है. डेमोक्रेटिक वर्ड मेंशन है प्रीएम्बल में. ओके. देन सिक्योर स्पेस इन द वर्ल्ड, इंटरेस्ट ऑफ माइनॉरिटीज, ट्राइब्स एंड डिप्रेस्ड क्लास नहीं मेंशन है, बट उसको दूसरे फॉर्म में मेंशन है. जैसे इंटरेस्ट ऑफ ये सब में आप सेकुलरिज्म कह सकते हो, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सेकुलरिज्म. ठीक है. सोशलिज्म भी ये से फ्लो होगा, which actually is mentioned in preamble. Okay, so these are the terms that is being mentioned in the preamble. Now this is the next question, and I hope this is a very easy question now. Yes, Deep Takshi. Yes, Mishika, Simar, Kushagra, Pandey, Mishika, Ayush, all right. Dominion what नहीं mentioned है. Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. Justice, socio-economic, political, liberty, है ना? Of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, and equality of status and opportunity. And ये mentioned है JLEF. Fraternity, है ना? So these are the words mentioned. So आप देख सकते हो. है ना? तो डोमिनियन वर्ड कहीं नहीं मेंशन है. सो डी इज द राइट आंसर. जैसे कल के पूछते हैं कीवर्ड्स फ्रॉम दिस. Now here's the next question, and फेडरलिज्म टर्म प्रीएम्बल में नहीं मेंशनड है. फेडरलिज्म इज नॉट मेंशन्ड इन प्रीएम्बल. Dhruv, you are asking ना कि फेडरलिज्म इज मेंशन्ड. नहीं मेंशन्ड. Which of the following words were added in preamble in 42nd Amendment 1976? ये तो पता होना चाहिए, बहुत फेमस है, मतलब आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग यू ऑल टू नो इट. So those are 25-26 जो attempt करें. Yes, Ayush, Simar, Deeptakshi and Dhruv is saying B. Socialist, secular and integrity. These three words were added later on. Socialist, secular और integrity. है ना? किसी ने पूछा था फेडरलिज्म, देखो अगर पूरा पढ़ोगे कहीं पे फेडरलिज्म वर्ड नहीं मेंशन है. Yes, Mishika, you are also right. The right answer is B is the right answer. Okay, next is the idea of fundamental rights have been taken from where? US, USSR, Australia, Ireland. What is the right answer? The idea has been hoga na idea na individual to. The idea of fundamental right has been taken from where? Yes, Simar, Dhruv, Ayush, Deeptakshi, all right. So the right answer is USA. ये तो पता होगा, US में Bill of Rights था. It's quite prominent. ठीक है. So you should know it. है ना? Yes, Mishika, Deeptakshi, Ayush, you all the right. Even judicial review also we have taken from USA. Now the next is the idea of fundamental right has been taken. Has होना चाहिए मेरे ख्याल से, है ना? Because US, USSR, Australia, Ireland. बताइए. Idea of fundamental duties we are asking, है ना? Yes, Ayush and Dhruv is saying USSR. Yes, Mishika, you are right. B is the right answer. USSR या Soviet Union जिसको कहते हैं ना, means before 1991, so it got collapsed in 1991 and now we are having Russia left. Yes, Deeptakshi, you are also right. B is the right answer. ठीक है. Soviet Union से लिया गया. The next is this question. The ideals of justice has been taken in preamble, taken from where? UK, USSR, Australia, Ireland. What is the right answer? Ideals of justice in preamble कहाँ से लिया गया? कौन सी जस्टिस की बात होती पहले देखो. जस्टिस सोशो इकोनॉमिक पॉलिटिकल, सोशो इकोनॉमिक एंड पॉलिटिकल, है ना? यस, तो अब यस, दीप्ताक्षी, मिशिका, सीमार, आयुष, यू आर राइट. राइट आंसर इज बी. तो एक्चुअली क्या है? जस्टिस सोशो इकोनॉमिक पॉलिटिकल. ठीक है. तो जब हम सोशो इकोनॉमिक की बात करें तो आपको पता है सोशल जस्टिस वगैरह की बात, तो ऐसे भी सोशल और इकोनॉमिक जस्टिस की बात, तो ऐसे भी सोशलिज्म या कम्युनिज्म वगैरह, है ना? ये कम्युनिज्म था ना यहाँ, या सोशलिज्म भी कह सकते हो. ठीक है. सो यू कैन think like this and remember. The next is the idea of concurrent list. Trade and commerce has been taken from there. Yes, I think ये आसान होगा. तो हम Actually it freedom of trade and commerce है, इसको लिखना चाहिए था freedom of trade and commerce. And concurrent list taken from Australia. Yes, Mishika and Dhruv Acharya both are right. C is the right answer. Yes, Deeptakshi, Ayush, you are right. C is the right answer. ठीक है, तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया से हम लोग जो इंपॉर्टेंट चीज दी है वो है concurrent list और freedom of trade between states, है ना. I think as far as I remember 301 में मिलेगा article 301 talks about it. Yes, Ayush, Sukh, you are right. C is the right answer. अच्छा, concurrent list कहाँ मिलेगा आपको? Where do we find concurrent list in the constitution? कहाँ पर मिलेगा? Anyone? सेवेंथ शेड्यूल में. हाँ, 246 में भी yes, Mishika, you're right, and it is mentioned in 7th schedule. ठीक है. The next is which of the following article talks about right to education? Yes, Ayush, Deeptakshi, Mishika, you're right. Article 21 capital A separately add किया गया था ना 86th amendment में. Yes, Mishika, Sukh, you are right. ठीक है. So right to education is a fundamental right that was separately added by 86th amendment. The next one is which of the following article talks about uniform civil code? Yes, Ayush, Mishika, Dhruv, you are right. 44 talks about uniform civil code. States shall endeavor to secure the citizen uniform civil code throughout the territory of India. So B is the right answer. Now, the next is question number 21, and I think this is an easy question. Impeachment term. Yes, very good. Deeptakshi and Mishika has answered. Dhruv has also. Represents the procedure for removal of President of India. Which article talks about it? और ये आर्टिकल पता है कहाँ पूछा था? सैंपल पेपर में 2020 जब पैटर्न चेंज हुआ था ना क्लैट का. And the sample paper, the first sample paper they gave after the change of pattern, they asked which article talks about it. Impeachment. So you are right. Article 61, Mishika. Very good. So Article 61 talks about impeachment or removal of president को impeachment कहते हैं. And it can be impeached for violation of constitution. बस इतना पता होना चाहिए कि the president of India can be impeached for the violation of the constitution. ठीक है. This you should be knowing about it. So this is all about today's class. Thank you everyone. Please press the like button, subscribe to our channel. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.